there. You are welcome to the second lesson on algebraic simplification. So, in this lesson, we are going to look into how to simplify algebraic expressions having multiple operations. In the previous video, we took care of algebraic expressions having single operations. For example, 3m plus 5m. Okay, that is just a single operation involving only addition. Okay, so now looking into the example we have before us, this first example has addition as well as subtraction. So we are going to look into a simplified approach of simplifying this. Okay, so now what do we do here? The first thing we do is to put the plus before the minus. Okay, you bring all the pluses together. Okay, you bring the pluses together. All the terms here, we have four terms, right? 8m minus 9m minus 5m and plus 10m. There are four terms. So I told you that if we are to simplify an expression, we reduce the number of terms to as few numbers as possible. Okay, so we have four terms here. If it is possible, we could reduce it to one. If not, it could be to two or three. Okay, all right. So all the terms here are identical. They are in terms of m, right? They are all having m. So what we do now is you take the pluses together. Okay, now I want to tell you that this what we have here, this 8m, okay, is the same as plus 8m. Okay, whenever a sign is not written in front of a number, it is either plus or times. A plus sign or multiplication sign. Okay, an addition sign or a multiplication sign. Okay, all right. So now this is plus 8m. Okay, so you need not write it. Okay, so plus 8m. Okay, you collect the you bring the pluses together. Okay, so that's going to be equal to 8m plus 10m. Yes, you've written all the pluses. Now the minuses, you bring them together. Okay, minus 9m minus 5m. Good. Yes, we add the 8m to 10m. That gives us 18m. Okay, now to this one here, we have minus minus 9m minus 5m. So there is a simplified method you could adopt here. So what you do is you put a minus out here. Okay, put a bracket. The 9m, you write the 9m plus, whenever you put a bracket, and there is a minus sign outside, all the signs within the bracket will change. Okay, so minus becomes plus, the minus 5 becomes plus 5, minus 5m becomes plus 5m. Okay, now before we continue, let me take you through this. If this is minus 2 minus 3, okay, So you just put the minus outside, put the bracket, 2 plus 3. That becomes minus 5. Okay, let's have another example. Minus 6 minus 7 minus 2. You put the bracket minus outside, open the bracket, 6 plus 7 plus 2. Okay, that gives you minus what? Minus 16, right? Minus 15. Okay, minus 15. That's it. Okay, a very simple approach. Instead of saying minus 6 minus 7, some people have difficulty doing that. Okay, so just apply this. Okay, put the minus outside and change all the minuses within the brackets to plus. Okay, so now, okay, equal to 18m minus 9m plus 5m gives you 14m. Okay, eventually gives you 18m minus 14m gives you 4m. Okay, so we have succeeded in reducing the number of terms from 4 to 1, right? So here we have 4 terms. At the beginning, we have 4 terms, and in the end, we have just a single term, which is 4m. Okay. All right. Okay, so that's it. Okay, in this second example, we have two terms in H. These two, 8H and minus 5H, and we have two terms that are just numbers. Okay, so what do we do? The first thing is you bring like terms together. Okay, the like terms there, say, is equal to the like terms 8H. The terms in H, you bring them together, so that is 8H minus 5H. Okay, now the next thing is write the other terms. We have just numbers. The numbers that we have there are minus 3 and plus 9. Now I want you to see that you write the plus before the minus. Okay, so here it is easier to put down the plus first. Plus 9 minus 3. Okay, so thereafter 8H minus 5H is like saying 8 hearts minus 5 hearts. That gives you 3 hearts, right? So that is 3H. So 9 plus 9 minus 3 is the same thing as 9 minus 3. Okay, 9 minus 3 gives you 6. That is 6 is plus 6. So as I explained in the previous video, you do not add unlike terms together. These two terms could not be added together. 6H plus 6, sorry, 3H plus 6. That's it. You can't simplify further. Okay, it's like saying you want to say 2 tables plus 2 chairs. Could you add them together? No, you can't do that. It's just, it remains as what? 2 chairs and 2 tables, not 4 chairs table or 4 table chairs or 4 tables. Okay, so the same thing, 3H plus 6 remains as 3H plus 6. Okay, so that's it. That's how you simplify expressions having multiple operations. Okay, so we have it combined. So in the next video we shall be looking into expressions involving multiplications and division. Okay, all right, until then,